वेलकम बैक टू द टॉट शो। मेरे साथ में है श्रुति और मैं हूँ नील।
वेलकम बैक। पता है नील, कल तुम्हारी एक मेल गलती से मेरे इनबॉक्स में आ गई थी। एंड यू नो व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट आई नोटिस्ड?
No, wait. You actually read my mail. That's bad manners, Shruti. I mean, I didn't expect this from you.
अरे वो छोड़ना यार, बात तो सुन, बता क्या रही हूँ। उसमें सबसे पहली लाइन लिखी हुई थी My dear नील। So that means कि जो तुम अपना नाम 3 बार लेते हो, people actually think that your name is नील।
No, that's besides the point. तुम एक काम करो, शो पे आगे क्या बताओ?
क्यों, तुम्हें नहीं पता?
मुझे पता, तुम बोल दो बस।
Alright, coming up next is Boulevard One, which brings together new concepts and exotic ideas under one roof.
Now that's pretty original, huh?
Pearl Drops is all about jewelry, an exclusive bridal collection which is originated from India, Rajasthan, and we look at all based silver-based jewelry, which is totally Rajasthani and royal collection.
Indian culture believes in a lot of originality coming from, you know, the pearl work, the dabka kam, the cut work that we basically use. So if you see, all our kurtis are very, very neatly done.
Panache is a brand which basically it identifies with bold, dramatic pieces. So it's for a woman who wants to come out of her current personality and show who she really is. So that's what Panache is all about.
Well, to give these children and these women a chance to re-enter into society and help themselves be productive. So one of the things that the charity has is this ladies cooperative. So the women are taught how to sew, or they probably already have those skills, and they have great creative skills. So they're putting some of those, you know, ethnic ideas into these products, and then we sell them, and the woman gets the 90% of the purchase, and then the other 10% goes to the charity to help other women like her.
And now please Neil, ये मत कहना that if you weren't an RJ, you would have been an event organizer.
Actually, not a bad idea. Let's create an event जहाँ पे हमारे सारे clients को ना मौका मिले to come and shop and get a fantastic experience. Will you partner me?
No. And anyways, that's exactly what is happening in this event.
Boulevard One is an exhibition and event that is twice or thrice a year, where we get people from India, Pakistan and other countries.
We thought that we bring a couple of talented people together and host this event to make it more interesting and make it more accessible to everyone.
Up next is an award ceremony with a difference. This is the first award for the students of interior design.
अवार्ड से याद आया श्रुति कि मुझे ना मेरे सारे अवार्ड्स और ट्रॉफीज रखने के लिए एक शोरूम बनाना पड़ेगा. You know, want so many of them. Like
I know. लेकिन फिलहाल तुम थोड़े से सीरियस हो जाओ because this event is sponsored by Danube, the #1 building material company.
यानी कि अपने स्पॉन्सर्स, हाँ.
This is an award competition. It's called the Danube Interior Student Competition Award. What we have done is we have got together all the colleges of UAE, Qatar, Bahrain and Jordan who have got into one competition wherein different jury members have been created, and out of this 12 students are going to win this competition.
These students will get an opportunity to get good jobs. You see, when they are doing some interior designing, उनकी वो recognition होती नहीं है. So this is the best platform for them to showcase their talent.
I see this place where, you know, many interns have actually got a platform to showcase their talent. So it's a very important event for us. It's our first, and we're looking forward for many more to come.
You know what, Shruti? जब मैं कॉलेज में था, मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा अवार्ड्स कौन सी चीज़ के लिए मिले थे?
बोलने के लिए।
Wow, you're a genius.
इसमें कोई शक ही नहीं है।
I wasn't expecting already for this award. I'm so excited today, but I can't say any words anymore. I would like to thank my professor, Dr. Wael Rajdan. Without his opinions and like this, you cannot reach here. And I would like to thank my father and mother a lot, and I love him a lot.
Just follow your passion, and once you're passionate about something, anything is possible. And once you fall in love with interior design, you realize what passion is all about.
These were the first set of awards for the students of interior design.
Sponsored by Danube.
Yeah, sponsored by Danube. And what a grand success it was.
Well, in fact, I was moved at the sight of those young faces जब उनको awards मिल रहे थे. मुझे मेरे बचपन के दिन याद आ गए जब मुझे first award मिला था.
नील.
Really shocked and surprised at the fact that we won, and it still hasn't hit us yet, but we're very, very excited and very happy that all of our hard work really paid off.
We participated with the second category and we won the third place.
ये बताओ श्रुति, next month क्या है?
Next month जुलाई है, जून के बाद में जुलाई तो आएगा।
नहीं, next month Ramadan Kareem भी है, and our next event is a conference for the night market during the holy month of Ramadan.
It's pretty much a market that's going to happen during Ramadan at night. And it's going to happen at the World Trade Center from the 10th to the 19th of August 2012. It's going to be a great consumer fair where you can come there and get products from all over the world and some very special deals, I'm sure, during the market.
Ramadan Night Market is an event which will be held at World Trade Center for the last 10 days of Ramadan. And it is a consumer fair where people can come in and look at some great bargains when it's for the shopping for the Eid and during Ramadan.
So next month is a month of feasting, huh?
And also of fasting. So far, I hope you're enjoying the show. It's time for a short little break. लेकिन break के बाद
एक मिनट क्या जब मैं कुछ बोलने वाला था तुम्हें ब्रेक चाहिए होती है?
Hollywood और Bollywood से कुछ special, so stay with us.